little pond, Mother Duck came along. With her little ducklings by her side, they sang a happy song. One little duckling, quack, 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 following Mama, quack, 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 splashing softly in the water, learning to swim. What a happy day! Two little ducklings, quack, 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 swimming together, quack, 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 playing happily side by side, making little waves with pride. Three little ducklings, quack, 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 chasing butterflies, quack, 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 running, laughing, full of cheer, pretty flowers blooming near. Four little ducklings, quack, 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 on the lily pads, quack, 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 round and round they splash and play, singing songs all through the day. Five little ducklings, quack, 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 dancing with Mama, quack, 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 clap your hands and sing along, count to 5 with this happy song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Happy ducklings, happy life, learn and laugh and sing with glee. Come again and count with me. A, apple shiny and red. B is for bear who loves fresh bread. C is for cat saying meow meow. D is for dog saying bow wow wow. E is for elephant big and strong. F is for fish swimming along. G is for giraffe tall as the sky. H is for hen saying cluck nearby. A, B, C, come and see magic bubble. I is for ice cream, yummy and sweet. J is for jelly, a wobbly treat. A, L, apple, shiny and red. B is for bear who loves fresh bread. Pop and learn, sing with me. Happy kids are we. Pause and say it nice and slow. Little letters help us grow. A, B, C, come and see magic bubbles. 1, 2, 3. Learn with laughter every day. Magic bubbles lead the way. See you next time. See you next time. लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए। सब्सक्राइब करिए, फिर मिलेंगे एक नए राइम्स के साथ। बाय बाय।